hi sis, this is Brian from Sussman Corrugated.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We sold your three machines, right?
Correct.
So are you satisfied with our machine quality?
Yes, I am. Thank you very much.
Okay. How about the service?
Service is perfect. You did a very good job.
Okay. So where you have any plan to buy more machines from us in the future?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Actually, we have another machine will come here, right?
Correct. I'm waiting for the other machine from you guys.
Okay. Actually, we come here from China to US to help you for supporting this machine. So we can do the online service, but we do it here because we want to teach you how to operate this machine. You know?
Correct.
Yeah, and also in the future, we hope that we have like a regular engineer here to support you.
Correct.
So I hope you have more good business, and then we have a deeper cooperation in the future.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Okay. Bye.